Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's create a new location in Maximo application suite. So go to location application. Okay, let's create a new one. Okay, first this is a list of location. Okay, this is an example of existing one. Okay, now let's create a new location. We will call it address 2002, for example. Okay, let's select our type. Operating. Important to select the type and important also to set priority. Status should be also operating to use it. Okay, you could associate a GL account if you know it. Okay. If there is an asset, it will be here, or safety plan. You could associate safety plan to this location. Also, you could associate a meter to this location. Specification also. Work zone if exists. Okay, this is our location. Let's save it. Okay, let's associate it with a new system to see to appear in the hierarchy. Let's select the primary system. Also, we could choose a parent for this. Okay, let's choose a parent to see this location in the hierarchy. Search for something like address. Okay, okay, now we select this. Okay, now it's a primary system associated with this parent. Let's see it. Try to see it in the drill down. Okay, this is the drill down. Yeah, this is our location. Let's select the system, the primary. Yes, it's parent, the child of yeah, it's child of this location. Over okay, this is our location. Okay, see, this is our new location. That is the drill down in Maximo application suite. Okay, I hope this series is helpful for new persons who come to application suite. Okay, it's like 7.6. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you and see you later.